To all the moms out there, you're believers and slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just like anybody else in your household. And throughout your life, you are the anchor of your household. So alhamdulillah for this privilege that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has granted you and I as a mother. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you the authority over His amana. However, in order for you to nurture them, to protect them, to raise them properly into the best slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you are granted a job description for, you need to take care of yourself by taking the time to build your own personal relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You connect with Allah every day. You don't rush your things. You don't rush your salah. You don't rush your Quran reading because you prioritize your personal connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. During Ramadan, you actually get the least possible time for that connection building. But this time, this month is the best possible time to reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Believing sisters, the mothers out there, we need to actually ensure that we take this month for ourselves. Yes, it's okay. Do the cooking. Do take the time for your Quran reading with understanding of content, the translation, and the tafsir, the context. It's very important that you do that for your own sake. The children and wealth are the adornment of this world. These are not the destination. The destination ultimately is the seeking Allah's pleasure. To focus on that, build your connection. Remember to strengthen your learning about Quran. Ramadan is also for you. Also, first and foremost, Allah's slave.